Hi there, today we have our much anticipated cinnamon roll video. We hope you enjoy. Prior to making the dough, ensure to activate your instant dry yeast. First, mix together all the dry ingredients and put aside for later. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, melted butter, milk, and activated yeast. Next, incorporate the wet mixture into the dry and form a dough. You can either knead by hand for about 8 minutes, but we use a standing mixer to speed up the process. Once your dough ball is formed, place in a greased bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and let it double in size. This takes approximately an hour and a half. In the meantime, we can work on the cinnamon mixture. Add together cinnamon powder, brown sugar, and mix until there are minimal clumps. Once the dough ball has doubled in size, you can transfer it to a well-floured surface and roll it out to a 14 by 9 inch rectangle. To this rectangle, you'll spread the softened butter, leaving a 1/4 inch border free, then sift the cinnamon mixture to cover all the buttered surface. Now go ahead and tightly roll up the dough from the 9 inch side onwards. At this point, you can cut them into 1.5 inch pieces. Take your time with this step so you don't flatten out the dough. Now place the cinnamon rolls in a baking tray with parchment paper and let rise again for 30 to 45 minutes. While that rises, you can work on the icing. In a bowl, mix together the melted butter, salt, milk, vanilla, and powdered sugar, and whisk this thoroughly until it resembles a thick syrup. Once the dough doubles in size again, as you see here, you can then pop them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. They'll come out the oven looking like this and smelling amazing, and you can go ahead and add the icing to your liking on top. Then go ahead and plate, serve, and devour. We hope you enjoy, and we'll see you next time on Mona's Kitchen.